Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many mini PC users may face. Picture this, you've got your trusty mini PC with all the specs you need for your programming tasks, but there's just one pesky problem. It's running slower than a turtle in a marathon. Specifically, tasks like booting up and loading software are taking ages, and you're looking for a way to speed things up without breaking the bank. Well, we might just have a solution for you. In addressing the problem at hand, let's talk about the solution that was provided. Adding an SD card to your mini PC may seem like a quick fix, but unfortunately, it won't do much to boost its speed. SD cards, even the top-notch ones, are not designed to significantly improve performance, especially when it comes to tasks like programming in Visual Studio and SQL Server. The best-case scenario would be if your mini PC supported NVMe on the SD card slot, allowing you to use it as virtual memory. However, the trade-off in speed compared to actual RAM would make operations noticeably slower and might not be worth the cost. In summary, while the idea of using an SD card to enhance your mini PC's performance may sound tempting, the reality is that it won't provide a substantial speed boost for tasks like programming. It's important to consider the limitations of SD card speeds and weigh the cost-effectiveness of any potential solutions. With that said, we hope this video has shed some light on the issue at hand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech problems you'd like us to tackle next. Thanks for watching, and until next time.